Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make a place for your eggs and grow a garden. This is just how I design it maybe. Obviously it's up to you how you want to make it. Just going to go to cosmetics here and I'm just going to get a lot of pieces of wood, obviously, and I think I'm just going to use this, if I'm being honest. Where is it? Oh, here it is. And then I'm just going to grab another one here and oops, I rotated the wrong way. Let me just put that back. Oh, jump scare. Okay, we're going to want to have it go this way. Yeah, I think that looks okay. Then I'm just going to add another one here. Let me see if that, okay, that looks good. And then for this side, I think I'm going to add like this. Wait, maybe not. I'm trying to like add it so I can go in this area. Let's see. Let's see this. Okay. Let me just... Nope. No. Do I want... Okay, I want this. Okay. Ugh, I hate when I move it and it goes like back to the start. If I lock it, will it? Hold on. Oh, perfect. Why didn't I just do that? But now I can't move it up. Well, they're just going to kind of make some sort of opening like this-ish. Okay, you guys are probably better builders than me. And then I'm just going to take another piece of this. Why am I moving this? Oh my gosh. The like controls, I don't remember everything. That's why I'm like struggling so much. Like, do we just keep it like this? I mean, no one's gotta see that. And you can like add a roof to it if you'd like to. But honestly, that's the last of my concerns right now. And then here's where you can kind of organize where your eggs go. But obviously you can decorate this to however you like. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.